Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the headset off and removing the right ear cushion. Pry gently at the seam with a plastic tool so you avoid tearing. Once done, use a small magnetic tray or labeled tape to collect screws. This prevents mixing similar fasteners. Make sure to work on a soft mat to catch tiny parts and keep the left side covered while you focus on the first cup. This isolates components and reduces accidental damage. You now remove the visible Phillips screws and separate them by length and position. Photographing each step helps you remember placement. Once screws are out, use a spudger to release the ribbon cables and the battery connector. Do this from the board side to avoid tearing. Then lift the speaker and sensor assemblies slowly, feeling for hidden clips. When you encounter resistance, stop and search for an additional screw or clip to prevent snapping plastic parts. You finish by removing the headband screws and sliding out hinge pins so the cups separate cleanly. Keep those small pins in a distinct container. Then extract foam, microphone assemblies, and plastic brackets, labeling parts to simplify reassembly. If things go wrong, reconnect the battery briefly and test connections before sealing the cans. This reveals loose ribbons or misaligned contacts without trapping errors under glued seams. If a cable is loose, reseat it and retest before final assembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.